In this video, we are going to see how to create a forecast for next 2-3 years based on the data which is available with us. So say we have a data where revenue is given for items A and B. The revenue values are available for the years 2020 to 2024. What we need to find is the projections for 25 and 26 based on the data which is available for us for the last 5 years. So what we can do is we can first select data for item A. Then we go to data tab. In the data tab, almost at the end, you will see forecast. In that, you will see forecast sheet. Click on it. It will open a window which will look something like this. So the blue colored line is the data of A. The forecast is dark orange, and lighter oranges are the lower confidence levels and the upper confidence level. By default, it is taken for 95% confidence level. Simply you can click on create. So what it is going to do is it is going to create a separate worksheet with this graph inserted in it. So click. So you can see sheet 2 is created. Now we can modify this graph as we do for the graphs normally. So the first of all, what we will do is click on the plus sign, which is the chart elements, which will open a menu where we will choose data labels. So it will give the values which are available here. Second, we will click on the brush, which is basically the chart styles. Here, a window on the other side opens. So we click on it. That is, we can take the styles which are available. Default styles are available here. Or color, you can choose in that the third or the fourth one in which the lines have different colors. So we will select the third one for the time being and click on brush again. So this window will close. So now this is the forecast for the yellow color line shows the forecast value. The upper level is given by the brown colored line and the lower one is given by the green color. Now we will try it for data for B. So again we will need to select the data. So first we select the revenue line with the years, then we press Ctrl and then we select the data for B. Again go to the data tab, forecast sheet. By default, say if we want one more year, so forecast end we can change to 2027 and click on create. Another worksheet will be created. We can change the chart as we have done in the previous case. Chart elements, we want to see the data labels, and then we will want to see the different color lines. So click on brush color and select the colors. So the projections or the forecast for the item B is also made. And now in this case, we have done it for 3 years instead of 2 years. So you can increase it there. Moreover, what you can do is when you click on this, you can go to the options and there are various options available here. And you can Choose as per your requirement. I hope this feature of forecast sheet is clear to you. Thank you.